love Justin Bieber. This is terrible. I'm gonna put this on YouTube and hope he sees it, actually.
I got these at Walmart. Ow.
There goes your head.
Or his hair.
And his hair is like, do you want to itch my back for me quick? Oh, yeah. My phone. Are you actually swallowing it? When we drink, we do it right, getting slizzard. I'm gonna make a collage of videos. So itchy. Hey girl, you know you drive me crazy. I don't even know this song.
I do.
I see what's going. Oh yeah, now I know. Face down. Tell yourself it's never gonna happen again. Alone and then he swears he loves you. You should hear me sing on the bus. It's pretty. Well, I'll tell you, my friend.